Hello everyone, my name is Ronald. I come from northwestern region of Uganda, a place called West Nile. I'm a student of Ronald V Africa and Farming Academy, Denmark. I'm pleased to be here once again. I'm here to give an update on a special education I've been learning. It's to do with sheep and goats. I've previously done 2 videos. One is basic level of sheep education, second is advanced, and then I'm supposed to give expert level. Just a quick reminder that there are 3 levels in this education. Each of it is or consists of 20 lectures each. If you've had access to my videos before, you should have realized that we're done with the first level, which is basic, the second level, which is advanced, and now I'm on to the expert level. It's like we've been building a case. We've been building a case, and now we are winding up. It's been a wealth of knowledge from the start, from the basic until this level now. And I'm pleased yet again to give you the update of what expert level consists of. Like I've said, if you want to make sense of the video, you must have followed from the basic, advanced, and then expert. Expert is a build up from basic and advanced. So here are the things I'm about to say concerning the expert level, and also a quick reminder that the number of things I've learned in expert level, but I'm not going to go to all of them. I'll pick up what I think are the most important. Here I've learned an important aspect called fecal egg count. Briefly, something that gives me an idea of the worm load in the herd or in the sheep. Yes, it gives me an idea of if the sheep should undergo treatment using the worm agents or not. But the fecal egg count will give you an idea of the level of worm load in your herd. It's done using a microscope, but how to do it into details is discussed in the lectures. But just this is an idea that what we'll be learning too is to do with the hoof health. We know there's a serious problem called foot rot, and in this expert level we've had a chance to look into it and breaking it down, the signs and symptoms to watch out for when it is foot rot. Why? It's because there are other things that you may think, other problems like abscess that you might think it's to do with foot rot, but it's never it. So this lecture has been able to tell us this foot rot, how to distinguish this foot rot from the others. And then there are other lectures to do with the collection of data and its usage. We know this is like a foundation. Everything you do in the farm, you've got to record it, and that is your data. Like here, you're expected to record everything, but most importantly, not limited, but most importantly, to do with the health, to do with production, to do with feeding. Just to say but a few, but the take-up point is that keeping data is very important. It will help you make decisions to do with management, but better decisions. So in other words, everything you're doing in the farm, please have somewhere to write and record. And then we have other lectures like scanning of the sheep when it's pregnant, Why is it important? It gives you an idea of the lambs that the sheep the ewe is carrying, and makes you prepare early enough. If they're, for example, they're twins or more than that, tells you if you need more space or there's need for more lambing boxes, need to stock more feed. That is the reason you do it for. And then the other lectures like your management during mating, early pregnancy, mid, late, post lambing. How do you manage these animals? I mean the sheep. How do you do? What things are you supposed to do? They are well discussed in the lectures. And then to stretch more, animal welfare plays with the animals well. There are 5 things you have to consider. I'll just summarize them, but we know as you get more interested in the lectures, there are deeper things to learn. One of them is freedom from hunger and thirst. Please give your animals feed and give your animals water. Yes, please you have to do that. Buy the quality feed and clean water as well. Freedom from discomfort. Please have proper structures for the animals to rest and sleep. Freedom from injuries, harm, diseases. Take care of your animals. As soon as you see a problem to do with disease or injuries, please respond the proper way. And please make the animal feel free to exhibit normal behavior. Do not make the animal stressful. Please. These are things you have to do under animal welfare. And there are other lectures too, please. And like I've said, I'm here to give a short summary. And a word of thanks to Farming Academy and Hunger Relief Africa for having met you. It is a life-changing education that I've undertaken, and I'm glad to have met you. Thank you for your attention. Please see you in the next phase.